is right. But he has this reason why he didn't call you again. And you, as a woman, you cannot tell me, say, be maybe, Emma may say, wo pe. Emma wouldn't even date me, free date, and I say, I won't block in a number. And I will be J with number. Emma wouldn't the number, they might depend on you. Won't go still in Paneda. Simply because as if I is a public figure.
I was for Mamma Makwa by the Bagan and Sam TV, so. Bomb so be like video, no be subscribe to your channel, and what your notification. So na be next time videos of this nature about so bit makabi. Now watch your comment section. If by chance also contribute to the studio works and work here to the number and that's here. Jen Sabek and any better was so. Now no parody is about a story a coso on social media, and I think say I was say he had this issue. Now, media story in fact, me shame if we say, Nima be I see politicians, Eddie be no maybe a could do no, any yan. Abaya be Abekasam about Tafo MP, Honorable Vincent. Now, uti backstories now, not just a union NDC for it's a less union NDC for nationality, so Omran Quania, you are Vincent, a message on a information. Now, politics crime party. Politicians. Why? Na say it is era Vincent Ekwa Wawari. Or worry no na numere na bayana tam camera sin also. A screenshot of on a era Vincent chat. Screen recording of era Vincent chat near the or the more personal conversation about to social media. And no a raise concern na magana for kasa. Na we na me yebusia say it say na Ghana pese Ghana na. To me aye pinti. Ye pese ye run ye yonko for down. Na mahu ma bi asebi omu defend asemu na baya no utie story ni nyina na say yes man na say bi ombra is a less yes man na say ombra no ni you Vincent embe have affair no me pay information iti from the story no tie ni pa deductions ye from say as a call south and an anko said your pen no who the onye the best it can do is to bring out the story send be better na shira Vincent Ekwa Tafo MP ni image, and this is not fair. This is not even right. As I make a sabi do, me mama her story no, mo munti story no my.
I'm not saying it's right, but he has this reason why he didn't call you again. And you, as a woman, you cannot tell me say, be maybe Emma may say wo pe. Emma wouldn't even call date me, free date na say I won't block in a number da. And I will be J number. Emma wouldn't number they might depend on you. Won't go still in Paneda. Simply because as if I is a public figure. Until let me come and disgrace the guy. Please, once you are there, throwing your temper tantrums, no, consider the woman he has married. And also your bar. That is someone's husband. So before you start dragging someone's husband's name through the mud, because you think say your feelings were hurt, no, consider the woman, the other woman. Now you're worrying, no. That is what I'm going to say about this issue. Thank you. Lopez, I think that's Udia Odete up you so. Get over it. Me person me who another video. I say you are going about still talking about this thing and still posting. Get over it. You are not the first person who be no code data one free will be you. Or no code date and say you what kind of turn as one called Frel. One friend will be him simply because he was no longer interested in whatever he wanted to start with you. On my opel. The moment I would see we share face to face, I would see we no mukasa nekwa. I put it off. On person be catch up. I said bia wakasa anya me de. And I send ya we ya woni ama enya me fe. Enti man friend will be him. And also ya dia say wakọ walinti e be so come say o me pass o me bisa o. Kwa ya ordinary guy bia obi enim na ga be so come na ba be chirichiri. Madam ya munchai sir. You people should stop that. Enough already. Let me go back to politics because that is what I do.
Pacho, we don't mean when Yami can be.
What you mean, Kasama?
Yeah, and Sembi say, I'm a hard being. Some of us are girls. And you know, you who say you animal money be yes, I near my way up. No, Mama, yen says if him. And then Remu, are there free lunch anywhere? I thought that there are no free lunch. Enti se bema about DM. Na se one wo akọ few dates. Now he never pushed to have a carnal knowledge of you. And he has given you all the indication that, look, this isn't going to work. Is it, I don't know, why didn't she come out to say that he has gone on few dates with Asefua and Asefua has ghosted her before the marriage? So this one, it is a woman attacking another woman's progress. And that is why somebody rightly said that women are our own enemies. And so if you ever pick a phone and switch on your camera to start to drag the man thinking that you are empathizing with another woman, just know that another woman is going for another woman's home. That is what it means. Because I'm not sure, say, Yenre Yana Sefuane dates now, when Fino. Asefua might have done this months ago. You did not come and switch on lights. Besides in fact, I don't even want to see it as somebody who is being, I don't want to look at the public figure side of it. Because say a public figure side of it now, Anka Lady ne beso camera when he started ghosting her. Adene yempe nukra wa maimusa. When he started ghosting you, you didn't find the need to come and switch on your camera to call him out and show the receipt and all the image. Your friend said the text messages, you are the DM messages you are showing. You waited until another woman, as the Bible says, he who finds a wife finds a favor. Until another woman became a favor to him. That is when you decided to go for another woman's home. It is not as if what you are going for. Let's be honest. Any other women who are going to say, who are saying they need to empathize with the woman. In fact, news flash, you people are not empathizing with another woman. You people are helping another woman, in fact, crash another woman's home. That is what it means. Why didn't she on camera to call him out before? I didn't know worry about for you know, and about beso camera mano. Was she having hope, say, ebia the months ago now, or send as a for message, won't feel and as a friend won't feel, you know, as a for will still come around. Was that the case?
Yenny abre.
Okay.
And MPP phone so abre womodi. Mpacho muntie me and MPP for so abre womodi. But see a percent next elections, and I see a party need to meet Jana. I was seeing you BB against your party for no money by a day, ebeji.
Okay.
Basi anya ne sani azumi say ye de so abofo enti bibia ni say MPP kone de MPP fo akọ na NDC fu osu na omu ye say me fi say nyama me de me ebe example me kan me so hwe.
Okay.
Ye de makoto National Population Council ye de me koto ho no mu no be me na enye nyame a nka me free kama free sa group ni mu but nyankopon ne party ni nti minimo bia wo ho nti no edru sa mo committee sana eno sa na mti ozu na me hwe wo mini baby akosesa wo free maka mini baby akofree wo free at least minimum ena ye be hu sania ye be bon komani hu sania ye be soso ne emamu amana ye den amana ye yi. Just imagine your committee be na me ye late me to me no on my chire frame me amekoya 500 Ghana. Wa wo hwa Anita di so 500 Ghana ne de. Ni pe ogumachi 500 Ghana. E de ma me anam de ma me driver so okoye ko fi omo nkoche na omo. Ya nya de esa. Omo aye me ni omo wo ko me ni mo bia. Enti ekofo omo hefa. Na National Population Council ye yi wo omo mu na ye to ho na me kwa na me to odin na me hwe wo. Enti abo say your party na ye ade a ye nya ni yie ye hwehwe ni mudodo me meka untumi ntume enfre NDC ni mu ye nya ade esa enkofo lament say adani akofa e wo abra bi wo ho ye betumi akọ no ho ama na ye den ama na boa yen ye hu say elections ni ye no ya nsore keke ni win ni nipa breye nipa brave odi opa monko Flagstaff House na monko hwade me ko ho wo mo minimum omo no enu 10%.
Wow.
Maka na nkofo frɛ ma ni tane ye ni o ma ni tane ye ni o ma ni takabi ma ye na de American wo fie ha ye nya de esa at least ye wo mu dada no and there was so fire to baby enti se ye nua no mo ba ne atumi ahu so asimasi na wonya hoode na watumi ayeden watumi aye adwuma no mo e ba sa fe ye nkwala na start ya de aba no kra ya bre ye ntubiem aba no kra ya bre ye ntubiem enye nice enti me fa wa fidie so fidie ye nyina de me nua ba ma de me fa no maka kire ye mpanyimfo no so mo nsesa before it's too late because baby ani ama na ekono enya de ebeboa yen yatumi anya hoode nyankopon aboa yen ala aboa yen ya ye adwuma kese sei at least what the menu be me kwa NDC for no ba omo nim sure ya ba wo a wo so nim untumi nya kwa ba ye kakra mo na makosesa wo mo ayenum o mo se yi group meet ya National Population Council maka mini wo mu bia e wo honom no o meeting na se group na se nti me kwa no asa meti wo se na me show mu din na me show mu din na me come baby oba panyina etese me mako meeting mini honom 500 Ghana maka na nsa wo sa ye meeting bi mantumi anya ho anko ye frɛ me madi 1400 na cha se fi se ba e ko 2 years afa na nita di so anya 1405 is it fair
1009
maka is it fair a brand pa bre is it fair
na mom so de wo
me kanya me nko bra me kan ko fo mo be gumi so an no se me nka bi ma mo na me de me di aka ho
me to say but wo ye pani pa party mu why ye vice chairperson Ediama party why ye vice to opposition no be the one national women organizer why ye
because let's assume say o de mo pese mo hwe paper we mu say be ya akromfo mu ane ache wo ma ye no kran so ache 1 year plus aka how many years
2 years
ntino ya nhwe ye fie ye konkwala no ho mbeti nkwala no mbeti omuntie ntino me fa fidie so na maka kire ye mpanyimfo say niam ekoso no omun sesa enya sa me di nkrofo no ma ye demonstration
NDC yenim so mo be ya sanka ya nye o mu bitim wodin papa emrantie me maba one da so gu from was struggling calling you day and night mumfa na de mu ye emrantie kuma wa mudu wa munkwato ho eje campaign mamu schools
Abusuan lawyer Vincent Asefua ware last weekend. Na after so ware last weekend no abaya bi e frɛ no Lopez aba abonten abekeka nsɛm bi a enya no kre. Mesro wa abehunu video we. Mon share ma ne nkoto lady no ene obi biara sɛ ensɛm na lady ne ba abonten ebekan no ne nyina ye ntro. Na me ba be kyerɛkyerɛ won nsɛm ni mu. Die di kan lawyer Vincent Asefua onim lady no wo ba bia. Etosu biem lawyer Vincent Asefua member of parliament on fan account to man be testil e me pehwe enti so obi di account bi aba be testil in the name of lawyer Vincent Asefua mesron account no e clone account and say a fake account because member of parliament no only time oba be testil e was sa enioma no after sa asem ne bae no lawyer Vincent Asefua na mu ahwehwem akonya lady ne number and me die ntia me ye video we ni say me ne lawyer Vincent Asefua akasa anopai enti na me ye video no ohwehwe mu okonya lady ne number no en wo free lady no lady na ampeke me pa chotie nie wa ampeke na lady na ampeke no owie ye no en na lady ne be teste ne say me pa chow ade upe bibi ato ana because so twa lady no oye omo ye online delivery ne sa nyoma ne bi ena Sefua se da bi me mpa bibi ato na me ye nipa asomasi asem ne say o lady no say wo se wo Vincent Asefua number enka ofre wo no nka obehu nipa no eto so biem lady ni make claim bi say oni Mr Vincent Asefua pie kwa abonten mesra wo lady no omra abonten na onfa video anase picture evidence a e kire say oni member of parliament no epie ko ahanom anase hanom ebi ni ho bunim say no pay am no kase because of lady no entro sema obedi ye ukwohwe the page mu sesi a video na obeye ni nyina wa delete ade na Ghana fo mu bi motesa obi aware na ware kama na eye ofre na wo pe bi a bompa ye na Nyankopon so ma obi
ne jai bayisam na asa mode tare ho no lady no ne chat a woni Mr. Vincent Asefo chat no me se enne da so no lady ne na manso ne da so no se lady ne se me boa omra no be confirm MC Ishme me na me challenge no and on any day I will stand the lady so se me boa omra e de ba ade na mo ya ne sa no we se wan hwe ya na sabi e be na mo so ama obi aware papa sei e ba abehwere no aba so wanya udi pressure abaya pe baabi na kwatena se wonimu nkofo a omobọ mpae so benya aware papa sei bi na wodi obi anya na wodi ase baye ni sa nneoma no ana mpanyimfo bi na hyehyɛ wachi obi na hyehyɛ wachi de na ka kire sa nipa ne se wa faili amfa because lawyer Vincent Asefo baby a ni nimde any baby nyankopon de na koduru no he will not settle for less meye sa nneoma we why enti Ghana for Madaroma lady no obeka asansem ni nyina me se oboa enti wo abehunu video we bia mon send money nko baby ase lady no obetwa ntro enyankopon ama ne to dead